What is going on, guys? We are Blockchain Billionaire. We're back with another altcoin video. Today we have a very special coin, and I don't know if you can see a trend going here, but we are only talking about coins that can make you money, that have high integrity, and are here to stay. No rug pulls, no abandoned ship coins. We're going to be talking about coins that are going to make you money and ones that you can actually participate in, invest in, that are going to make a difference in the world. So another one coming out, we have DHOUSE, otherwise known as DogeHouse, which is an amazing new coin that's come out and is here to stay because they are actually purposeful coin that are hoping to help all of the stranded and homeless dogs and actually support animal shelters all around the world. So this is an amazing coin. Again, strong initiative, strong foundation. Let's get right into it. So as we can see, they recently launched, and within 1 second, they sold over 400 BNB. That is amazing. The second thing is that their dev is actually doxed, and we'll talk about that in a second. So let me just quickly read this out. I'm not gonna do much reading, but I wanna read this out. So DHOUSE is a frictionless yield generating protocol. So all you have to do is hold more tokens and you will automatically receive more tokens. The more you hold, the more you receive. So this is actually gonna be passive income for those of the people that are holding. This is accomplished by charging 7% tax on all transactions, which is then split 5% to all holders as rewards, and 2% automatically gets added to the liquidity pool, creating price support and stability. That's super cool. Now I want to talk about the utility. So as I mentioned before, they're going to be donating to animal shelters with the goal of rescuing dogs. They'll also put up animal shelters to the community to vote on, and in some cases even specific doges. So that's super, super cool. Now basically, let's talk about the tokenomics quickly. They had a massive initial burn, 25%, and then moving on forward, this is the rest of the stats here, but I want to talk about this. So 2.5% for the team. That is super cool. The pre-sale, like I mentioned, 400 BNB hard cap was filled in 1 second. That is amazing. And then if we go down to the safety, as I mentioned, the developer has doxed himself, meaning he's documented himself, meaning we know exactly who he is, his name, his images, everything about him. And furthermore, he actually doxed his dog as well. So we can see the owner and his dog. He is behind this entire mission, behind this entire token. And that is really, really cool to see. Now moving on to the website, we can see here DogeHouse saving 1 Doge at a time. As I mentioned before, so passive rewards, simply hold on and you can make more money. It also has the automatic liquidity protocol I mentioned with the 7, 5, and 2% split, and a strong community. They have a very strong Telegram and Discord group, which is actively growing. This is super cool. Now, phase 1, launch website and pre-sale, list on PancakeSwap, list on CMC, CoinGecko, BlockVoyo. They've already done all this, it's amazing. All right, and phase number 2, development of the NFT shop. So they're going to be actually creating an NFT shop and participating in the NFT space, which is huge. I want you guys to really be on the lookout for any company that is participating in NFT, because those are typically have really high chances of doing really good. The NFT space is going to be massive soon. It's already a multi-billion-dollar industry. So look out for these coins. Phase number 3, create an adoption event that accepts crypto, aka DogeHouse. How freaking cool is that? All right, so now moving on forward, this is actually his Doge, as I mentioned. It was actually a rescue dog, and that was the inspiration for this entire token and this entire project. So that is really, really cool to see how this could translate into such a big project, a wholehearted project that could really affect the world. So it's amazing to see that. Now, if you go on to BSC scan, we can see, let me just hit a quick refresh, 3,054 addresses, and people are buying all the time now. It's consistent, so it's really, really good. So it's starting to grow. And if we actually hop onto now PooCoin, we can see that the market cap, let's hit another refresh here. Market cap is $664,000. That's amazing. Such a good time to get in right now. So we can see that there was an initial pump and a bit of a dump. So that happens, obviously. There's a dump, bit of a pump again, and now it's kind of dumping. It's a good time to actually get in, because honestly, this coin has so much potential. And now that this kind of riffraff is out of the way, we can start seeing, honestly, the true holders who are here for a purpose, and they believe in the mission, they believe in the coin. So this is a great time to get in right now. I don't actually see it getting any lower than this, but that's pretty much that. So the last thing, if you guys want to get in, I would just highly suggest using PancakeSwap. I'll leave all the links in the description, but just obviously open up V2, or you can hop open a new link. I understand, put in your BNB coin and swap it for DHOUSE. Super, super easy. So last thing I want to finish off with, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not endorse anything, and I'm not behind any of this. This is just coins that have stood out to me, and I honestly prefer them because, again, I like going for shit coins that actually have purpose, not ones that are here to just take our money, rug pull sell us, etc., etc. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you learned something and you are going to participate in this token, leave a comment below. I'd like to know how many of you guys actually participate and join with me and join this movement. If you guys are interested and enjoyed these videos, please make sure to subscribe. I post daily altcoin videos on the highest and biggest potential coins that are hitting the market today. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow on a brand new video. Peace out.